What are we doing?
We are at the shop. It is 3:30 in the morning, and we are about to head out, go to SEMA. We need to get this Cybertruck out of here because we need to take this because Junie brought 4 suitcases of clothes for 4 days. So
1 suitcase per day.
Yeah, so we're just about ready to get over to Colorado Springs Airport. We got PJ waiting for us. You know,
Frontier.
Gulfstream, Frontier, Gulfstream, Frontier, Southwest. Yeah, so we're just making sure everybody has everything, tools, deodorant. We have 1 cripple coming with us this year. So yeah, we got Mike, we got Kyle, we got Nate, we got Tai, we got Junie, we got Matt, we got me, and we got Patty. We all heading out. We're hoping that at the airport, because this happened last year, we see our good friend at the airport. He's just a delight to be around.
We're in Vegas, waiting on Kevin to rent a car. That's all I know. That's all I know. Oh, there he is. It hurts just watching him. It hurts. Yeah, I guess we're setting up Hexis or something. Am I supposed to be excited about this?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to set up Hexis.
Yo, this thing has an LS or what?
I can buy one.
Shit!
Looks quick. Pro.
Monday at SEMA. We're here in the Hexis booth. So what we just did is we helped them finish up their setup. So we've got the Ferrari, we've got the Porsche, we've got the Aston, and team came in and prepped the vehicles, prepped the Ferrari, prepped the Porsche, pulled some PPF off the front end of that Porsche so we can go ahead and do demos tomorrow. This is cleaned, ready to go. We got all of our film ready. Made sure the mics were ready, speakers are good. Got all the tools, got organized, tie stations ready for BFShield and Pro 4 Shield. I think that's it. So we did our setup. AFS is handling all the demos, all the interactions, and then V has his team handling marketing, sales. That's it. So we're gonna go get some motherfucking Doma, and we're good. Everybody at home. So this is day 1 at SEMA 2025. So I am here at the Hexis booth. What we've got going on is this side right here is going to be the vinyl side. And we're doing live demos with all of the Skin Tack series. So it's HX 20,000, HX 30,000, HX1. And you can see we've got Matt Fraccassini from Auto Film Solutions. He's demoing on this Ferrari, and he's actually installing the HX 30,000 Hypnos iridescent wet. On this side, we're doing all of our wet apply body fence. We've got Nate Matuza from Auto Film Solutions. He's actually setting up a demo station over here. So he's showcasing matte black, satin black, and I believe just matte and satin PPF on this front clip of this Audi. And we've got a GT3 RS already done a display here on the hood. So this is actually a really cool display to display the gloss black, the matte black, and the carbon fiber. One really cool thing about this is that all of this is completely seamless. And when I mean seamless, it's all butt seamed, so where you cannot feel any type of edge. So this is more of kind of like an advanced install. A lot of people wouldn't really realize what goes into making something like this. But all of this is butt seamed, no overlays, super, super cool. We got some cut tables over here just for everybody to use as far as the install team. Windshield protection films, BFShield, which is a 1-layer TPU film for the front windshield. And then we also have the Pro 4 shield and a Pro 2 shield. So the Pro 4 is going to be a 4-layer tear-off, and the Pro 2 is going to be a 2-layer tear-off, specifically geared towards the motorsports industry. Tyler Holstrom here, he's handling the window film side. Kyle McFeeters from Autofilm, he is helping with the PPF side. And then Michael Wallstead is also here from our vinyl team at Autofilm Solutions. He's helping on this side with the Ferrari. Marcelo Santos over there, you can see he's here in a black shirt and he doesn't do much at all actually. So he is supposed to be installing. He looks like he's doing something, but that person he's talking to is actually just his father. So basically he just acts like he's talking to people, educating, and not doing really anything, but puts on a good show because no one else would actually know. But that's how he gets away with actually doing absolutely nothing at SEMA 2025. Day one's usually kind of a little slower. Day 2, day 3 is where it's nasty, nasty busy. We got tons of people. I mean, as you can see, people just like take a seat and they're just looking at the vehicles that we're wrapping. They're super intrigued by what's going on. We've got Matt talking to some probably installers right here and just educating them on the film, install techniques. You know, we take a lot of pride in making sure that when people come here to the booth, that we can provide them with the most information and just kind of relate to these installers and help them out. We will continue on and hopefully not die tonight after SEMA and be here for day 2. And we're just gonna rinse and repeat. That's it, day 1. Oh, I'm sure it's coming.
Your heart rate is fast though. 114. Okay, so pain, headache, body ache.
I've just been sick all day. So I've been just been sick all day.
Just faking it.
You know, if Nate would stay in his station, it would have been a great show. We had a whole bunch of people just hanging out and wondering where Nate was. And he's just off hiding again.
Should I spill the beans hard? No, literally just turn around and you'll see the recap of today. Just
This is
turn
what
around.
Mike did all day.
Just turn around.
And pan.
Oh, what is that? Here, I'll also reenact another one. Standing by the battle board.
This is also something that Mike really enjoys doing. Hold on.
Hey, where's Mike? Does anyone know where Mike is? I can't find him anywhere. He's not at the And now, in about 30 minutes, he'll be coming right back around.
Vinyl team did a phenomenal job knocking out this teal on this 458. We did some cool stuff with carbon and a bunch of other colors with some butt seams and cool different weave patterns. Nate actually had a bunch of people compete today, so that was pretty good. Kevin is over there, he's freezing. I think he's gonna go to bed tonight, not gamble. experience playing with the film.
Can I help rip it off? Ripping off the carbon vinyl of a GT3 RS.
So hopefully today is a lot crazier than the rest of the show has been. So Junie was getting really frustrated about these like non-English speakers coming up and asking him questions not in English, and Junie is thinking that they're talking crap about like his rap. He got one of Marcelo's friends to come and only speak Brazilian to him.
Não é developamento, não é color change.
No color change.
No, the corner, no, the black. No color.
That's him.
No. The corner black, no color change.
Possível.
Huh?
É possível esse?
I don't understand. Huh? Pardon? Can you stop recording me?
It's like waving and
I hate you too.
It is almost 4 o'clock, and that means we get to go home. And it was a good SEMA. 2025 in the books. You know, not too much to say. Same shit every day. Lots of demos, lots of education, lots of representing AFS, lots of representing Hexis, and yeah, I think this SEMA was pretty successful for sure. And then we are going home. Going home.